Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Revu how-to tutorials, brought to you by Brighter Graphics Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. Brighter Graphics are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to optimize your interface for measurements. To get the most out of your takeoffs in Revu, you need to set up the interface to best meet your needs, putting the right tools and panels at your disposal. As you might remember, profiles provide an easy way to store toolbars, menus, and other display settings, so that the tools you find most useful are readily available each time you open Revu. It also controls markup list columns, including custom columns and custom statuses, which can be extremely useful when it comes to estimating. Revu comes with a built-in quantity takeoff profile that you can start with. To switch to the quantity takeoffs profile, from the menu bar go to Revu, Profiles, and select it from the menu that appears. If you were working in a different profile, you will notice the setup of the interface changed when you switched. The Measurements panel and Markups list have expanded, allowing you to access key functions and your markup data. On the right side of the screen, you will see that there is the standard markup toolbar featuring commonly used tools. But under that, there is a toolbar featuring several measurement tools. The tool chest features markup toolsets specifically designed for takeoffs for various disciplines. You can use these custom takeoff toolsets or create your own. For a tutorial on how to create your own custom takeoff tools, please watch our other videos in the How To series at www.brightergraphics.com. In this profile, there are at least 4 places you can access the measurement tools that you will need to perform takeoffs. You can select a tool by clicking on it from the Measurements panel located on the left side of the interface, or from the Tools menu located on the menu bar at the top of the screen. Recently used and customized tools are available in the tool chest if you have them saved. You can also review and edit additional information including page scale, measurement properties and viewports. Additional options, like those for snapping and saving measurements as annotations, are available in the Measurements panel drop-down menu. We recommend starting off with the Quantity Takeoffs profile and then customizing it to better suit your specific needs. You can save your own custom markup tools to the tool sets, adding functions to the toolbars and saving them to the profile, making changes to the layout to fit your needs. Let's remove some unnecessary tools and add some additional functions to the Measure toolbar that appears on the right side. Right-click on the toolbar and in the drop-down menu click on Shapes and Text to remove these options from the right toolbar, since we only want measurement tools here. Now, click on the very last option that says Customize. The Customize dialog box will appear. We're going to customize the tools available in this toolbar now. First, in the upper right, under Toolbar, select the Measure toolbar. This selects that toolbar for editing. Below that are the items in the current configuration on the toolbar. Scroll to the bottom of this list and click on Dynamic Fill. Then, click on the blue, up, arrow button until Dynamic Fill is listed under Calibrate. Click on Radius, then click on the Delete button to remove it from this toolbar. Now go to the Categories drop-down on the left and select Measure to see the measurement functions. We want the individual tools, 3-point radius and center radius, in this toolbar instead of just the general one. Click on 3-point radius, and then click on the black arrow button in the middle of the menu to add it to the toolbar. Do the same for center radius. Now use the blue arrow buttons to move the functions above the separator for the cutout tools. Click OK to save the configuration. To keep better track of the totals for each measurement markup, take a look at the Totals category. As with many other elements of the Properties toolbar, this dynamically highlights the main measurements of the selected markup. For more details on the measurements of that markup, click on the drop-down menu. You can even detach the menu and keep it open on the interface if needed. This will stay up to date and show any measurement markups that are selected. The markups list is currently showing all of the measurement-related columns. Since, at the moment, we are creating a generic takeoff profile, we won't need to hide any of the columns. If we were doing a simple equipment count, however, we might want to remove columns like area, volume, rise, drop, or slope. Simply go to the markups list drop-down menu and select columns and check off any you do not need. When finished, from the menu bar go to Review, Profiles, and click on Manage Profiles. Click on Add, and for this example, name it Training Takeoff. Click OK to save this new profile. Another helpful tip is that if you're working with dual monitors, it can be useful to pull the measurement panel out of the interface by clicking it, and dragging it, over to your second monitor. Then the panel can be expanded to a larger size to free up more screen real estate in the main workspace. Now that you've loaded your Takeoffs profile, customized the toolbar and decided on the easiest method to access your measurement tools, you are ready to enter the scale of your drawing. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.brightergraphics.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at Brighter Graphics welcome your feedback to help us to improve.